Alright guys, I have a new video for you today. This is going to be on my Galaxy Nexus. This is Verizon, so this would be a Toro device. And I'm going to show you guys how to install this ROM. It's called Droid Concepts. So let me just show it to you first really quick. We're going to go through some of the settings and some of what we got here, and then we'll go through the install on it. So first of all, let's go into settings, and let's see what we have here under About Phone. This is Android version 4.2.2, which is Jelly Bean. So very nice. Again, build number is JDQ39 right there at the bottom. So that's what you're running here on this thing. You are going to want to have TWRP recovery installed to flash this, the newest one preferably. So you got those things, but let's just kind of check some of the other settings here. So first of all, you have some pull downs here, and these toggles are customizable. You can pick what you want on this screen. Like I have added NFC on off and torch on off at the bottom here. The other ones are come standard, but you can rearrange them and change them if you want. So very customizable. Let's look at your guys' app drawer. This thing is running Apex launcher, or is it? I think it's Apex or Nova, one of the two. It comes with it. Also comes with a stock launcher. These are your applications in here. So you have Apollo, you have DC Beats, you have Droid Concepts, which has wallpapers and other applications in there if you want them, which is pretty nice. Let's see what else we have. Just standard applications here. You have notification widgets right here, and Trickster Mod super user. So notification widgets right here is just an enable thing, but let me show you what it actually does. Now I don't know if you guys have noticed on the lock screen for Jelly Bean that you can scroll to the side normally and do this. See how you scroll to the side there? So basically what this does, hang on if I can show you, hang on, sorry I'm messing things up here. So basically you could scroll to the side. So you can see that. And normally has this little flash here. So what this thing enables, and you can go to your camera, is, let me see if I can show you here. Okay, so normally when you open up your phone, we'll just turn off again and show you, you have this button right here that now can scroll over to your unlock feature. Well, if you're on the screen like this, you won't actually be able to scroll to those other widgets with this little thing enabled. So what you do is you scroll down. See how it pushed the lock thing down to the bottom? Now you can scroll to the side and add your widget, whatever it may be. Let's say messaging, just for example. So again, if you scroll down, okay, now you can scroll over and you got messages, you got this, or you got this. But if you don't want to be able to do that, just scroll up and you can just flick your finger over and unlock it. But right now you won't be able to scroll until that goes down, or until you're up onto that number. So that's basically what that application does for you. Just go ahead and unlock it. You also have Trickster Mods, which just allows you to do all kinds of stuff with your CPU speeds, ADB over wireless, kernel tweaks, backing up, restoring, general I/O schedulers, governors, screen stuff, CPU information, just all kinds of tweaks, a screen res, just a lot of gamma settings, color multipliers, and all kinds of goodies like that for you guys who really like to get into tweaking your device out. So you have all those options as well. The last thing I guess I'd want to show you guys is in settings on this thing is you have themes down here, you have performance, which is again is your CPU stuff. You have your launchers, and this is Apex launcher, like, yeah, that's right. And then you have your standard launcher in there, and you can get in there and go to advanced settings and here set default launcher and change it to standard or Apex, whichever you want to do. So you have all those Apex settings as usual built into this device. And then lastly you have system. And in system is where you get into a lot of your cool settings with your battery bar, your clock widgets, and power menus, and status bar, you know, changing your clock from center to right, let's just say. Now it's over there on the top. your color of your clock, PI controls for desktop mode, just all kinds of real cool goodies in here. Power button, torch, just a lot of different little stuff you can change. Your carrier label, battery bar, clock widgets, power menus. I mean, just a whole bunch of really fun settings. This is really what I like about a ROM, is when it has those cool system settings in there. Other than that, the rest of your settings look pretty basic. So this is new ROM for me. I've not done anything on it before. So that's really quick. Let's go ahead and get into the install of it. So you're going to hold down power button, and we're going to reboot device into recovery and hit OK. So you can get into recovery by this way, or if you have a different ROM on here, you can just power device off, hold volume up and down in power until you get into bootloader mode, then scroll with volume up and down to recovery, and then hit power, and it'll go get you into recovery. Really like it. Very nice recovery system. First thing I do is I come here and go ahead and swipe this and make a backup. I've already done a backup, so I'm not going to do it right now, but make a backup just in case something goes wrong. Next, you're going to go to wipes, and you're going to wipe cache, swipe to wipe, dalvik, swipe to wipe, factory reset, swipe to right, back, system, swipe to wipe, and lastly, go back. Lastly, you're going to go back again and go to installs. You're going to find your Droid Concepts, which is for Toro, and this is from 3.3.13, and you're going to hit it. Make sure it's what's highlighted up here, and swipe across to flash it. That's it. When it finishes flashing, as long as everything went well, it'll have a button on the bottom down here, and it'll say reboot. You just hit reboot, and it'll boot up. Make sure you give this thing a good 10 minutes to boot up the first time, just to make sure everything's working right. Also, make sure before you do any backing up or flashing, you have good battery life. Up here on top, it shows you in TWRP, or just make sure on your phone before you do it. And that's it, guys. That is how you get Droid Concepts on your Galaxy Nexus. Really simple. I really like it. I'm going to be using it on mine for a while here. Hope you guys like this little video. If you did, please subscribe. Check out my website right up here, which has got a lot of great information on it, tons of stuff about the Galaxy Nexus. Files, I've got a download page on there, all kinds of good stuff on there. Please check it out, or follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I'm hoping to do another giveaway soon here for you guys. Just stay tuned on that, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thank you.